Hello and welcome to the Trade Setup. Today we are starting a new series on the channel, and it's a number of stocks to watch in the following week. And let's start it off with SoFi. And here we are in the third wave, in my opinion, and we are tracking a diagonal to the upside. And within this third wave, I would say that we are still within the third wave of the C wave of the third wave. And this count on the chart that you see is actually more of a guide. The count may be slightly different. Maybe it's something like 1 2 and then another 1 2 and the third and the fourth and the fifth to complete only the third wave here within the C wave, and then we get another 4 5, complete the C wave, complete the third wave here at once. Now what I am tracking on this chart for the next week is if we manage to get back in the support zone, and this would be for an internal third wave of this move here. So I could count something like a 1 2 3, and then we have this support zone for a wave 4. And in this case I see a wave A already complete, maybe even the B wave already complete, and an ideal target for the C wave at $19.2. Overall, the support zone is between $20.3 down to around $17.8. And an ideal target for the C wave within the third wave to the upside is $26. But those are just ideal targets, those extensions. It doesn't have to get there and it doesn't have to stop there. But we are on track so far. And next up we are looking at United Health. Here I have been covering this correction for nearly 2 months, and we are still in the support zone, and based on the count we may still see some more downside here. I would see it as a 1 2 3 4 5 to come, and the third wave here could have completed right in this spot, and we may have started the fourth wave to the upside. Resistance level for the fourth wave is between $285 up to around $293. So above $293 I would start to heavily consider having a bottom already in place. But overall we are still in the support zone, and we haven't yet reached either the 61.8% retracement nor the 78.6% retracement. And we can look for an ideal target in case we did already form a bottom. And for a C wave it would be the 100% extension of the A wave, $362.7. And in case we are in actually a third wave, we may even reach the ideal target, 138.2% extension at $401. Next up, we are looking at Centene. I recently covered this stock, actually maybe 2 days ago by the time this video goes up. But we are tracking a very long-term correction here, and we did reach in this fourth wave the 38.2% retracement area at $27 or below. And that's the actual ideal target for a fourth wave in theory, and we had some reaction to it. Overall we may be going lower. I would prefer, for the sake of the C waves count, at least one more low, but we may see a series of lower lows depending also on the structure of the correction, and depending if this A wave completed here or up here, up here, and then the B wave completed here, and we started the C wave all the way up here, then we may see a series of 4 or 5 patterns. But in the end, the structure of the chart completed the expectations, not even the minimum, just the actual ideal expectations in terms of the level they reached. The structure is not necessarily complete, but it doesn't need to do any more. A reversal could come at any point, and we are still in the support zone now. And this would be a more of a long term plan anyway that could reach at least, or should reach at least, $141. Next up, we have Fiserv, and this is the bonus stock that we are looking at this week. And yeah, I am tracking two scenarios in this case. First, we have the idea that we completed a very large third wave here in the fifth wave, and we are looking for a retracement in the fourth wave between 116 down to around $52. But there is a possibility that we completed only a three-wave pattern and we are still looking for higher, and maybe even completed the fourth wave here at the last level of support for this fourth wave, $129. And yeah, we may be looking for higher directly. I could see, if I look at the structure down here, one more move to the downside to actually complete this pattern in 5 waves, but I wouldn't count on it, to be honest. It is quite simple, quite easy for us to go directly higher in the fifth wave, and overall we are also quite close to the white support zone. And even if we only form here an A, B, C, there is still quite some upside to be had in this B wave ideally. And yeah, an entry here, at least of a small position with a close stop loss, especially after this moves higher. You can also set the stop loss at the entry level. It can be a pretty good trade to get. Overall, these are the trade setups, and I hope you love this new format. Let me know what you think of it, if you have any suggestions, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.